Hi everyone, this is Deanna from Deanna's Reality. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. A while meaning a few days. Okay, so listen, I have a really good video for you today. Today we are installing, yes, this beautiful wig that I got from Luvme. I have it a while now, but this is my second time installing this wig and I think I did a really good job. If you can see, yes, I think I did a really good job. It's not going anywhere. It's stuck. It's good, and I did not use a ball cap method. So I really want you guys to stay tuned to see what I did and how I did it. Please remember to subscribe, like my video. Please. I really need you guys to. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment any questions you may have. You definitely can put it down in the comment section. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, again this is Deanna and you see me move from flab to fab. Yes, I'm enjoying myself because whoo baby, you see how great I look? Yeah, so I'm definitely saturating the wig. It is washed, it is dry, and I'm spraying some water and conditioner on it, and I'm just passing my finger through so I can tame it a little bit because you don't want it to be out of control when you're trying to do an install. You want everything to be in place. So yes, I am passing my fingers, taming it, getting it all ready so that I can get that wig on my head. Yes. Okay. All right. Enough. You can finish now. Okay. No. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I definitely needed to do that because it's been sitting down for a little over a month or 2 months since I washed it. And then I put a clip in. So now we're going to moisturize my hair. You have to moisturize your hair. I'm telling you, you don't want to put the crusty dry hair on no wig. You want to protect your hair also. And I was suffering from alopecia after giving birth to my third child, and my hair is finally growing back and I am embracing that. So I'm no longer ashamed. I did put some olive oil moisturizer and coconut oil. Now I'm installing my stocking cap and putting it on my head. As you can see, my face is well made up, so I definitely have to go in there and use a primer. But before I do that, I'm using a tint lace spray that I got from Amazon. If you want a link to that, you can definitely comment below and I will definitely send you that link. So as I was saying, here is the primer. I'm removing a little bit of makeup and some of the spray that got on my face before I install the wig, because sweetheart, if you install a wig over a skin that is dirty, it is not, the glue is not going to stick. And I learned that the hard way, or it's going to be really clammy and nasty, and you don't want that. Here I'm also putting the tint spray on my wig, and I did put a holding spray or a hairspray so that that would stay on the lace. I'm going in with my Bond Hole glue. I think I got this from hairsofab. Yeah, it's one of their glue because that's a lot of hair store that I usually purchase from. When they have sale, they have a pretty good sale. I am flattening my glue. I'm sorry that I missed some of that on camera, but I did flatten the glue. You don't want it to be thick. I learned that the hard way. And I don't know why I choose to do this after, but hey, I'm doing it. I'm putting some got to be glued, a black tube, as I showed you, over my hair so it can lie down because it was like just all over the place. And when I'm done doing that, then I pull the lace wig forward again and so it can stay in place. I did not choose to do a ball cap method because I would only have this wig in for like 2 or 3 days max. I really don't like to sleep with wigs. I like to take them off when I come back home after I'm finished going wherever I need to go. Again, I'm going in with another layer of hairsofab glue, and I'm flattening it again. I am sorry again for missing that on camera, but I am flattening it with the tip of my comb. And then, yeah, here it is, fab. I showed you the glue. So now I'm putting the wig on. I throw it back. And there it is. I'm talking to my daughter, sorry. And then I clip the hair back because we don't want that hair to be all over your glue. I'm just fanning it a little because I didn't use any blow dryer or anything like that. My daughter is scared of the sound. And I didn't need it because after like about 5 minutes or so, that was like dry. Not dry, but it, started to melt down so that you don't see the white. You don't want to place that wig over the white. You want it to be clear and sticky. All right. So for some reason, I thought I was filming this, but I wasn't. I am putting the wig down. I like at the corner of my hair to have a little bit of, natural kind of look. So I did pull some of the hair down in the corner for it to look like my hair and not the lace, if you can see here. This might be a bit too much for some people, but it's fine for me because this hair is not going to be pulled up in one at all. It's going to be down. And if I do decide to pull it up, it's not bad, You can see here. I did forget something, so I had to go and get it, which is this spray, because I realized that needed a tad bit of spray to hold it down because it was reverted on the other side, as in up, it wasn't flat. So, and then I'm spraying a little more so that I can get a perfect hold. You want that melted look. I know they say if you go in with the blow dryer, it's going to melt more, but it was melted enough for me. It was. I promise you it was. And no, this is not a HD lace wig, but it is a lace wig. And if you need the link for where I got it and what type it is, I can definitely, it's from luvme, but I can send you the link, or I can post the link once you ask for it. So I went in, I did tie it again. I had to cut the video, and then because I got a phone call, so this is like me doing this again. And you can see here now we're about to go style the wig. Yes, I'm feeling like, girl, you grew a head full of hair. I feel so excited for that. So here you'll see me parting it. Some people would have parted it before they tie that the head tie on, the headband on, but I parted it after. Please, this is my first time filming, or my second time filming me putting my hair in, so I am learning. Bear with me. I fast forward this video because I was pulling my fingers through my hair quite a bit so that I can get it nice and flat. I didn't want to just go in with a comb. I wanted to finger detangle because you remember, even though this is a wig, you need to act like it's your own hair. You definitely need to take care of it because you don't want a bald spot inside of your lace. So you're going to take your time and go in a finger detangle. And I did use a curl cream, as you saw before. And then I'm going in with my oil from Garnier. Garner. Oh, God, please don't come for me. I am from Guyana, and some things that we pronounce are not exactly what it is. It's okay. It's okay. And then I'm going back with some conditioner and water, and I'm saturating the hair a little bit because it was so dry after it dried really quick after I did it the first time. So I went in to make sure that it's saturated and the moisturizer got everywhere, and you see that definition. I absolutely love it. So I did the same thing to the other side, but instead of using the cream first, I went in with the water first again because it was dry, then the cream, and then the oil. And you can see me finger detangling. Make sure you get that in good. Don't forget the back of your hair, ladies, because that's important. You don't want to be walking and somebody's looking at the back of your hair like, ooh, that's crusty and dry. What the hell is wrong with her wig? No, no, no. We need it to be even. Everything must be saturated. You see, it looks beautiful from the back. Now, I figured, okay, the ends look a little bit too puffy for me. So I went in with the brush and I brushed out the ends a little bit. Yep. And then I passed the brush from top to bottom because now it is finger detangled. So it's not like, the brush isn't going to pass through. As you can see, it was passing through just fine. And then I did put a little more cream to the end of the hair, because as I said, it was way too puffy for me. I just wanted to tame it a little bit, and I did. I finger detangle it again. And yes, yes, yes. And then you'll see the amount of hair that came out in total from beginning to the end. It's quite a bit, but it's a lot of hair on your head, so that is perfectly fine. And again, I didn't use it for a while. So here you would see I clipped the hair at the back because it wasn't clipped all along. And y'all, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this here. You can part it if you want over there. There's space to part, but I didn't feel like going through the comb. I'm just showing you. Yes. Here it is. Here it is. Y'all, doesn't this look like it's growing out of my head? Doesn't it look like it's growing out of my head? I absolutely love the way this looks. This melted down really good. I'm telling you, I love luvme hair. Some of the hair is excellent. I have bought quite a lot from them. And I did see like a little bit of my hair was wasn't laid properly, and I don't like baby hair. I'm not a baby hair person. So I went in and then I put a little bit of cotton glue in front there and give it a little bit of soup, like just a little bit. Just a little bit. You see that? Just a little bit. Not too much. Not no big thing. I am not a baby hair person again. Maybe that's just me. But after that, I felt like a princess. Not like if I wasn't before, but oh, I felt like a long hair princess. That's the difference. Yeah, I felt really good about this style. And I love the end result. As you can see though, one side of the hair is a little bit puffy, so I did go in and take my hot comb, and yep, this is the result.